You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. Now, this with an accent on the E is the name of a town in Brazil. Bage is the Brazilian or Portuguese pronunciation, Bage. Now, with this spelling, this is a river in France, and it's a French name, Bage, Bage. Now, in English, there could be different pronunciation, Bage or Bage. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.